GoAnimate TV, where the happiness comes. Today, June 7th, GoAnimate TV will be switched by logos. It will be Vyond TV. We will do that after the commercial break.
Hello. What would you like to pay?
I need you to pay for vegetables.
Okay, VIP cards are free. Do you have one?
Here.
Okay, VIP card has been accepted. You can go now.
Thank you.
In GoCity Store, VIP card payments are free from June 8th to June 21st. That's the only time. Go to GoCity Store to see.
OMG. I can't find my luggage. I'm gonna be late.
Yes, me too. I can't find it also.
If you can't find your luggage, download GoTravels app. In GoTravels app you see when your luggage arrives.
Hey, download GoTravels app.
In GoTravels app you can see when your luggage arrives, see the flights, and so much more. Download now.
Is this a concert? Yes, this is a concert but huge, Baker's Show. On June 18, 2010 on 7:15 p.m. and in GoCity Square. Don't miss it.
Welcome to the new news name, Vyond TV News. It was named GoAnimate TV News, but it's now another way. Let's see what happened in June 6th evening. A prisoner Eska